best way to learn any language, including the Samoan language, is to use it as much as possible in practical situations. And there's no better practical situation than going for a drive. Here's some helpful vocabulary words when you're driving. Liliu, tau angavale, or angavale. Tamatau, or kamakau. Tu or ku means to stand, but in terms of driving, it means to stop. Alu is to go. Aluper means to continue to go. Se'io'o means until you get to or until you reach. So po'ia is the action, it means like to cross. Awala is the street. Amangapa is a four-way intersection, and Amangakolu is a three-way intersection.
Yakako'o ile falka'alu. Liliu ilo kamakau. Liliu ilo kamakau. Aluper se'io'o ile mangafā. Aluper se'io'o ile mangafā. Here's a word I've forgotten the definitions. It's sa'o. Sa'o means straight. Alu sa'o. So po'ia le mangafā. Alu sa'o. So po'ia le mangafā. Se fa'avave. So po'ia le awala. So po'ia le awala. Liliu ilo angavale. Liliu ilo angavale. Liliu ilo kamakau. Liliu ilo kamakau. Ua kako kaungu'u i le faleka'alo. Ua tatou taunu'u i le faleta'alo. All right, we're just a couple of weeks out, June 6th to July 28th, the next 8-week session of the Mato Samoan Language Zoom class. Sign up at matosamoa.com.